In today's video, we will discuss a crucial element that most Forex traders overlook: the importance of making regular withdrawals from your trading account. Discover the significance of securing profits, managing risks, and maintaining a healthy trading mindset to excel in the Forex market. You already know that the Forex market, or foreign exchange, stands as the world's largest financial marketplace, facilitating trillions of dollars in daily trades. It revolves around the buying and selling of different currencies, aiming to capitalize on exchange rate fluctuations. As a Forex trader, you've probably experienced both the euphoria of successful trades and the frustrations of losses. However, it is a common mistake among traders to allow profits to accumulate in their trading accounts without making regular withdrawals. Although it might be tempting to let gains ride, it is crucial to secure your profits at regular intervals. Wondering why? By taking consistent withdrawals, you effectively lock in your earnings and protect them from potential market downturns or unforeseen events. This practice forms an integral part of a robust risk management strategy, ensuring that your hard-earned profits remain safe. You already know that the Forex market can be highly unpredictable, subject to sudden changes that can wipe out profits swiftly. By withdrawing profits regularly, traders create a safety net around their earnings, reducing exposure to market volatility. A prudent approach to profit security can shield traders from unexpected market fluctuations, offering peace of mind and stability. Successful Forex trading requires more than just making profitable trades. It necessitates a comprehensive risk management plan. Regular withdrawals play a key role in this strategy. By withdrawing profits, traders ensure that they are not overexposing themselves to market risks, enabling them to maintain a balance between potential gains and potential losses. Regular Forex withdrawals also help in cultivating a healthy trading mindset. Forex trading can be emotionally challenging, especially during periods of market turbulence. Making regular withdrawals reinforces a positive trading mindset. When traders see tangible rewards for their efforts, it boosts confidence and helps in adhering to a disciplined trading approach. This in turn reduces the likelihood of impulsive decisions that could lead to unnecessary losses. In conclusion, the significance of making regular withdrawals from your Forex trading account cannot be overstated. Understanding the Forex market and its dynamics is crucial, but equally important is securing your hard-earned profits. Through consistent withdrawals, traders fortify their financial gains, implement an effective risk management strategy, and foster a healthy trading mindset. Remember, in the dynamic world of Forex trading, staying proactive and protecting your profits is the key to sustainable success. So dive in with determination, and may your Forex journey be rewarding and prosperous. That's all for today's video. If you found this update informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might be interested. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.